A very good morning to one and all, and welcome back to English class. Students, in our yesterday class, we were started chapter number 30, that is understanding words better. So, we have discussed only 10 words yesterday, rest of the words we will do today. These are the words that have the similar sound, but their meaning and the spellings are different from each other. So we were on 11th word, that is two boxes are there, one is on the left side, one is on the right side. So the first word on the 11th is HEEL, heel. It means that the back part of the foot below the ankle. Below the ankle, the foot part, it is called heel. Okay. So the sentence from this word is, my heel hurts after walking. And the same word of the same pronunciation of this word is heel, HEAL. You can see that the spellings are differ from each other, but here the meaning of that word is make or become sound or healthy again. Okay, that and the sentence from this word is, don't worry, the wound will heal. Okay, next 12th word is lose. It means to be unable to find something, means don't lose your pen again. LOSE, don't lose. Next, LOOSE, loose, not firmly or tightly fixed in a place. That we can say na, that be careful, the screw is loose. Be careful, don't walk on the rope is loose. 13, pain. PAIN, pain, a strongly unpleasant bodily sensation caused by injury or illness. It called pain. My mother is in pain since she has hurt her foot. Okay, and next is pane, single sheet of glass in a window or a door. A sheet of a glass in a window or a door is also called a pane. And difference, PAIN, pane, PANE, pane. Clear? 14th word is peace, and other word is also peace. Pronunciation is same, but the spelling are different and meanings are also different. So on the left side that is given, it is PEACE, peace, freedom from disturbance. We want peace, not war. Like Gandhiji follow the rule of peace, that we want peace, not any war. It called peace. And PIECE, a portion of an object, that give me only one piece of cake, give me one piece of chocolate or anything. Okay, next 15th word is pray. PRAY, pray, address a prayer to God or any other person. Yes, we should pray for good health. Address a prayer to God or any other person. When we'll do early morning in our schools or in our colleges or at home, we do the prayer, it called address of a prayer to a God. And PREY, prey, means an animal hunted and killed by another for food is also called prey. The lion hunts its prey. Okay, next, principle and principles. PRINCIPL, principle. It is first in order of importance, means one principle, one who holds a school or any each and every cultural event or rules and regulation or we can say that discipline of a school, or everything, who look over all the things, important things of the school, is called a principal. Principal, principal. And the sentence is that our principal will attend the cultural event. Clear? And next is, principles means a fundamental truth. That is a truth, a fundamental truth, that Mr. Verma always followed noble principles. Clear? Next, 17th word is road. One is ROAD, the road on which we walk by our vehicles, with the bikes, motorbikes, cycles, cars, buses. And we can say that the road to the village is full of potholes. Means the road of the villages are mostly of holes. It is also mostly breaking by places, different places. Means in heavy wind rains, the drains means the water gathered in that holes. Okay, so it is, the sentence is, the road to the village is full of potholes. In that potholes, the rain waters gathered, and it caused difficulties to the people who move from there on that road. Okay, and second is road, to sit on and control movements of a horse or animal or a vehicle such as a bicycle. Second road is that in villages we can see, or mostly we can see that when on a horse, one boy is sitting, one man sitting, and he control the movements of a horse by that road. Clear? Next, 18th word is route. One is ROUTE, a way or course taken in getting from a starting point to a destination. Means the route number. We can say the route number 1, route number 2. A route number 2 bus goes to Chandpur. Route number first bus goes to any different village, Ballabgarh, or any of the village. Okay, so these are called the route. And second, ROOT, root, a part of a plant below ground that acts as a support. That is also called root. 19th, stair, a set of fixed steps. Stairs, in our houses we have the stairs. And stare, look fixedly at someone or something with eyes wide open. My pastime is to stare at the sky and think. Means whenever I have nothing to do, when in my pastime, what I do, I just stare the sky and the stars. Stare means to looking one person fixedly for a moment. Next, 12th is sell. One is hand over in exchange for money. They will sell this house. And second sell is a device used for current generations. That give me 2 pencils, cells for this table clock. One cell is which we use in the clocks or in a current generation. Means remote cars are also there for the children. We use the small cells, they are called the cells. And second cell is means exchanging for money, selling something for exchanging a money. 21st word is story, an account of imaginary or real events. One is story, that for example, Hare and the Tortoise, the Thirsty Crow, the Woodcutter and the God, and so many stories that are the imaginary real events. And second word story is a part of a building comprising all rooms that are on the same level. Means we live on the upper story of this house. One story is there, means in a house there is a part of a building comparing all rooms that are on the same level. It is called a story. Okay, next word, their, belonging to them. Their house is in block B. There, something, it means they belong to something. And there, a place or a position, that come there and sit here. Or we can say there is a park, you will see cows grazing. Next, 23rd word is wait. To say stay where one is until someone comes or something happens. Wait means for waiting for someone until he comes or she comes. And next ways is measuring of how heavy somebody or something is. One wait is for waiting for someone, and second wait is means measurement of any heavy somebody or something. For example, the baby's weight is 10 kg. Okay. Next word is 24th word is waist. The area around the middle of the body. During flood, the water was almost to the level of a waist. And next waist is WAST, waste, to use more of something than is necessary or useful. And 25th word weak. One is WEAK, weak. It means that not physically strong. We can say that she became weak after the illness. And next week is a period of 7 days from Sunday to Saturday. So I hope that students, all the 25th words are clear to you. Now on the basis of these 25th words, 3 questions are there. Question number A, B and C. Do these questions in your rough notebook for your practice. If you're having any doubt, you all are free to ask your doubts.